Hey, it's Jake with Zion Security Alarms. Today I'm going to talk to you about how you can replace the battery in your ADT secondary touchscreen keypad. I'm excited to tell you here, if you have the ADT command panel, you can add a secondary touchscreen like this. So you can see they're noticeably different. This one takes a different battery than this one does. So if you have one of these and it has a low battery, it's very easy to replace. You may or may not have this docking station. You may just be using this kickstand here that's on the back, or it could be mounted to the wall. There's several configurations. But if you have this keypad in your hand here, you flip this up, you can see right in the back this little panel here, and you can open this up and get access to the battery back here. So if you open that up, you see right here there's a battery. And so you just take off that little plate, pull the battery out, and then you stick in the new battery, and then put this cover back on. It has two little notches on the bottom here to slide that back on, and then it's ready to go. Now, it's not going to power back up until you plug it back in. So once you plug it back in, it'll power back up. It'll reconnect to the main ADT command panel, and you'll be good to go. That simple. Hope you found the video helpful. Give us any comments or questions you have, and there's a link in the description where you can go on our website to purchase the batteries. Anyway, hope that helps. Talk to you soon.